Right, morning. So this is part of the router table. As part of a router table, I think you're going to have to put some laminate on either MDF or plywood or something like that. Gives you quite a frictionless surface for you to sort of glide your timber over and everything like that. This is going to be a short video, and I'm going to show you how I attach laminate to ply and everything, and what the thought process goes into it. A long time ago, I used to do a lot of sort of kitchen fitting, and as part of that, you end up having to attach sort of Formica / laminate to various surfaces. I always use the contact adhesive. There's this one, doesn't really matter which one you use. Some are better than others, some are a little bit stickier, and that'll mean that you have to put less on and whatever. But the key to this is to ensure that you have no bits that get in between the surface and the two surfaces. And this is very much a one-shot deal, that when you are applying them together, that's it. Get one go. If you don't do it right, that's it. It's game over. You're going to be cutting whatever you've done again. So it really matters on big surfaces. Right, now we've got the grooves put in. You need to sand off any little bit of anything that might get underneath the laminate. Right, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick my laminate directly over there, leaving about a 5-10 mil overlap, and then I will trim it off with the router using a trim bit. Oh, beauty. Right, if anyone's got any better ways to cut this than that, tell me, because I need to know. Now what I use to spread is I use a piece of old material, get it on, and we just use like a squeegee. That's probably too much for this, but I will transfer it onto here. So let's get our little scraper. Right, so that's that. Right, now you wait until it's tacky dry, and for me it's already getting there, so not too long. In the past I've waited too long and it just won't take, so I prefer to put it on a little bit sooner and let it dry than later. Now this one is going to be an absolute piece of cake, I say. This is perfect for YouTube, this is, isn't it? So in theory, we know it's the right size. Fucking hell. Right. I just fucking do it. Just do it. Just do it. Right. Okay. Right. Now, get a nice bit of timber or something, really with a real smooth edge, and just scrape it back and forwards, making sure that you get good contact. Right, this is my trimming bit. So it has a little wheel which goes on the edge, and then it trims the rest of it. So you use one of these, and then it'll trim it off absolutely flush to the edge. Channel is ready to go.